In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a booking confirmation from Booking.com. Whether you need a record for personal reference or for presenting it at the hotel check-in, having your booking confirmation on hand is incredibly useful. Let's dive right into the steps to ensure you can easily access this important document. First, you'll want to head over to Booking.com and log in. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the website. Enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to all your booking details. If you don't have an account yet, it's simple to create one, using the same email you used to make your booking. Now that you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon. This icon is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will lead you to a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, select Bookings and Trips. This will take you to a page displaying all your upcoming and past reservations, making it easy to manage your trips. On the Bookings and Trips page, find the specific booking confirmation you want to download. You'll see a list of your reservations, so take your time scrolling through if you have multiple bookings. Once you locate the right one, click on it to view more detailed information about that particular reservation. Next, confirm your selection by clicking on the booking again. This double click ensures you're accessing all available details and functions for your reservation. Once the page for your chosen booking is fully loaded, look for an option usually labeled Print Confirmation. Click on this option, and you'll be redirected to a new page. This brings us to the next step. On the Print Confirmation page, you'll see an option to select the English version. Clicking on this ensures the confirmation document is displayed in English, making it easier for you to review and understand the details. Once selected, your browser might automatically open its print dialog box. Typically, your browser will now prompt you with print options. Here's a handy tip. Instead of selecting a printer, choose to save the document as a PDF. This is usually possible in the print dialog by clicking on the destination field and selecting Save as PDF. After making this selection, hit the Save button. Choose your preferred location on your computer and confirm the save. And there you have it. With these steps, your Booking.com confirmation is now saved as a PDF file on your device, readily accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. Be sure to keep this confirmation handy on your phone or print it out to ensure a smooth check-in process at your destination. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.